guys, Eladani here, and today I am showing you how to do a super easy Viking braid hairstyle. I did this to go along with a makeup look. I just thought something kind of twisty and a little bit messy and natural with some braids and beads and things like that would just go along with the whole vibe of the look, and I really love how it turned out in general. Let's get into the style. basically all I did here, I sectioned my hair into 3 parts. I braided those parts back, and then I rubber banded them off with just simple rubber bands that I got at the dollar store. I was kind of questioning how well they'd work. They worked fantastic. I'm actually pretty impressed by how well these worked. I didn't break a single one. So again, I took a section here, a section here, and a section here. I braided those back probably 5 or 6 inches and then banded them. Then I braided those sections, as you see here, which is not super neat, but when it's down, it definitely gives a little bit of the Viking thing you're probably going for. And then I did 2 braids on each side. I always do braids right behind my ears, and that is because, you've probably seen this in my other videos, that is because they sit right on top. That is perfect placement for beads because they are in your face. You don't want beads way under here where the rest of your hair is hiding them. It's a waste of time and effort for nothing. Not even you are going to see them. And knowing they're there is fine, but it's not the same. So you want your placement where you can see them. So after that, I looked for strands of hair that were sitting right on top, framing my face. My hair is very layered, so I braided down to where the layers started to affect it. Banded it off, I put beads on, I went a little bit farther without a braid, and I banded it a little bit farther down. I absolutely love the look. I love the aesthetic of it. I definitely think it complements the goddessy makeup look I was going for. My biggest regret here is I did not pay as much attention to my trained part as I would have liked to. That looks a lot more natural. That looks like a part. However, farther back without it directly in the view of the camera, I can't really tell. So I wish I would have maybe put a little bit of hair from here up so it looked a little less parted. This is literally a 10-minute or less of Viking hairstyle with very minimal work, minimal accessories, minimal beads, minimal everything. So especially if you are trying to go Viking for Halloween, that will do it for you super easily. Make sure you check out my other Viking braid and hair bead tutorials. I have a couple other ones that have actually done really well on my channel. I've been meaning to do more of these ever since then because those are some of the best performing videos on my channel. Some of my earliest videos, they are still some of my best performing videos, so make sure you check those out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to make sure you don't miss a thing, and I will see you next time.